It's that time of the year again, when the air gets chilly and every street looks like a painting. Vancouver in fall has this peaceful energy, perfect for coffee runs, long walks, and just reflecting in life. This weekend, I wanted to slow down, grab some coffee, and explore my favorite spots. So come along for a chill fall weekend in Vancouver with me. The weather was around 10 degrees this morning, a bit cold, but the kind that makes you want to wear layers and sip something warm. First stop, coffee, obviously. I came to Nemesis to try their fall menu. I tried the black sesame corn latte, and honestly, the mix of sesame, corn, and coffee was way better than I expected. I love how every cafe in Vancouver feels like a small pocket of calm, people reading, working, or just enjoying the morning vibe. I saw that the sun came out, इसलिए मैं बाहर आ गया and अंदर कैफ़े में बहुत सारे लोग थे and I'm not used to crowded cafes. मुझे खाली कैफ़ेज़ पसंद है जहाँ शांति हो. When I was a student, I used to spend crazy amount of time just working on assignments and editing videos in cafes. And अभी भी वो वाला टाइम मुझे बहुत याद आता है. I used to enjoy that phase. I really wanted to make this video a month back, but since the last 4 weeks it was raining, and as you can see that I have missed the peak fall because of that. You can see the trees here in the background कि उनकी leaves अभी already they are not there. If I would have come around 4 weeks earlier, then बहुत सारे आपको red, yellow, green अलग अलग different colors दिखते हैं. ऐसा लग रहा है इतने टाइम के बाद सन में बैठा हूँ मैं. After Nemesis, I headed to David Lamb Park. I used to hang out here a lot during my university days, so it always feels similar. The fall vibes here were perfect. After the park, I decided to visit UBC. It's been a while since I've been here. The campus is a bit far from where I live now, so I don't get the chance to visit often. This is what I was saying, guys. Just look at the amount of leaves that have fallen. Just imagine जब ये leaves नहीं गिरी होती तब इतना सुंदर लग रहा था. I know it's still very beautiful, but जब ये सारी leaves थी तब it was like next level. I just saw it in the reels. And sadly I couldn't come because of the rainfall. I still remember the time when I used to work here as a student. तब मैं literally 1.5 hour one way travel करके इधर आता था, वो भी हफ्ते में 3-4 बार. And ever since I left UBC, उसके बाद से this is 1.5 years since I've been here. I was recording around UBC, and out of nowhere I spotted some of my friends playing cricket. They still study here, so I went over to say hi and ended up joining them. I think sometimes it's important to revisit old places, not to feel stuck in the past, but to remind ourselves how far we have come. It's 4 p.m. now and it's starting to get really chilly. अभी 1 घंटे में almost अंधेरा हो जाएगा पूरा, so we should head home now. When I reached home, I wrapped up the day by watching the highlights from India's match. Perfect way to end the evening.